Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through your phone, bombarded with ads for all these amazing investment platforms. Everyone's promising you the moon, the stars, and a solid gold yacht by next Tuesday. But then you stumble across M1 Finance, and you see this M1 cash account thing. It looks sleek, it sounds convenient, but how much is it really going to cost you? Are we talking hidden fees? Sneaky subscriptions? Or is it actually as straightforward as they make it seem? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's be real, in the world of personal finance, nothing is truly free. There's always a catch, right? Or at least, that's what we've been conditioned to think. So, we're going to peel back the layers, dissect the M1 cash account, and figure out exactly where your hard-earned dollars are going. First off, let's get the basics out of the way. M1 Finance, for those who might be new, is a platform that blends investing and banking. They're known for their pies, which are essentially customizable investment portfolios. The M1 cash account is their answer to your everyday banking needs, designed to integrate seamlessly with your investments. Now, the headline, M1 cash account itself, the basic version, is generally offered without monthly fees. Yes, you heard that right. No monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? But hold your horses, because the devil is always in the details. What does cost money? Well, let's break it down into a few key areas. 1. M1 Plus. This is where things start to get interesting. The M1 cash account is often bundled with M1 Plus, their premium subscription service. M1 Plus comes with a yearly fee, and the benefits are where you'll find some of the cost of the cash account. With M1 Plus, you get things like higher APY. You'll typically see a significant boost to the annual percentage yield, APY, on your cash account balance. This is a big draw for many people. Borrowing benefits. M1 Plus users often get better interest rates on M1 Borrow, their portfolio line of credit. Smart transfers, enhanced features for automating transfers between your investment and cash accounts. Additional perks. M1 Plus often includes other perks, like increased ATM reimbursements or other exclusive offers. So, while the basic cash account is free, you're essentially paying for the enhanced features and benefits by subscribing to M1 Plus. The annual fee for M1 Plus varies, so it's crucial to check their current pricing. Is it worth it? That depends on how you plan to use the platform. If you're actively using M1 Borrow, taking advantage of the higher APY, and leveraging the smart transfers, then the annual fee could easily pay for itself. 2. Out-of-network ATM fees. While M1 Finance often provides a certain number of ATM reimbursements, especially with M1 Plus, using an out-of-network ATM will typically incur fees. These fees are charged by the ATM operator, not M1 Finance. So, if you're someone who frequently needs cash, you'll want to be mindful of this. Finding in-network ATMs or maximizing your reimbursements is key to avoiding these costs. 3. Wire transfer fees. Wire transfers, both domestic and international, usually come with fees. These fees are standard across most financial institutions. If you frequently need to send or receive wire transfers, it's essential to factor these costs into your overall financial planning. 4. Paper statement fees, potentially. In today's digital age, paper statements are becoming less common. However, some financial institutions still charge fees for them. M1 Finance generally encourages digital statements, which are free. But if you insist on paper, there might be a charge. Always check their fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. 5. Potential for changes. It's important to remember that fee structures can change. Financial institutions, including M1 Finance, reserve the right to modify their fees. So, it's crucial to stay informed and regularly review your account statements and the platform's fee schedule. Now, let's talk about the value proposition. Is the M1 cash account worth it, even with the potential costs associated with M1 Plus or other fees? Here's what you need to consider. Integration. The seamless integration with M1's investment platform is a major selling point. If you're already using M1 for investing, having your banking and investments in one place can simplify your financial life. Automation. M1's automation features, like smart transfers, can help you stay on top of your finances and make your money work harder for you. Higher APY. The boosted APY with M1 Plus can be a significant advantage, especially in a low-interest rate environment. Borrowing power. If you're interested in using M1 Borrow, the better rates with M1 Plus can save you money on interest. Convenience. The convenience of having a single platform for both banking and investing can save you time and effort. Who is the M1 Cash account for? The M1 Cash account is a good fit for existing M1 Finance users. If you're already using M1 for investing, adding the Cash account can streamline your financial life. People who want automation. If you're looking for a platform that can automate your finances, M1 Smart Transfers can be a valuable tool. Individuals seeking higher APY. If you're looking to maximize your returns on your cash balance, the boosted APY with M1 Plus is a strong incentive. Those who like the idea of a single financial hub. If you prefer to manage your banking and investments in one place, M1 Finance offers a comprehensive solution. Who might want to look elsewhere? People who need frequent cash access. If you rely heavily on cash and frequently use out-of-network ATMs, you might find the fees add up. Those who don't want a subscription. If you're not interested in paying an annual fee for M1 Plus, you might find the basic cash account lacks the features you need. People who prefer traditional banking. If you're accustomed to traditional brick-and-mortar banks with extensive branch networks and in-person customer service, M1 Finance's digital-first approach might not be for you. Those who need frequent wire transfers. If you need to make wire transfers often, you may find the fees prohibitive. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use the M1 Cash account comes down to your individual needs and preferences. It's essential to weigh the costs and benefits and consider how the platform fits into your overall financial plan. Remember, always read the fine print. Review the fee schedule, understand the terms and conditions, and make sure you're comfortable with the potential costs. Don't just take my word for it, do your own research. Compare M1 Finance with other banking and investment platforms to see which one offers the best value for your money. And remember, the financial landscape is constantly evolving. What's true today might not be true tomorrow. So, stay informed, stay vigilant, and make smart financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.